Now, the main thing that's going to affect a piano in its stability, its tuning, its overall health is related to the humidity. This is what I tell all my customers. If you do one thing, make sure that the humidity and the temperature of the piano is within roughly 5 to 7 degrees, or within about a 10% change of humidity. So ideally, we would want the pianos to sit between roughly 45% and 55% relative humidity. This makes it so that there's enough moisture in the air that piano is able to breathe properly. If there's not enough moisture, the piano is going to shrink in on itself. It's going to be too dry. If there's too much humidity, the piano is going to swell up and become kind of too engulfed with water and moisture. We want that sweet spot, roughly between 40 and 50%, and that is what I recommend to all of my customers. Now, to help track that, I recommend they get something called a hygrometer. Now, this is a tool that's used to help really monitor not only the temperature, but the humidity in the room. And I actually recommend putting this as close to the piano as possible so that your customers or the piano owners can really have a good idea every day what humidity levels are like. Now, with this data, usually there are several different options. And so one of the things that your customers or you can do as a piano owner is simply mitigate the temperature. Keeping the temperature between 5 to 7 degrees is going to help with the overall humidity to a point. Another thing that you can do is say that you have some extremes going on. If the environment is too dry, potentially go ahead and add a humidifier to the room, or add plants that will bring off and expel some moisture. This is more of a natural way of doing it to make sure that the piano has enough moisture around it. If the piano is so dry and there's not a way to really bring in enough moisture, at that point I recommend getting a humidifier system installed on the piano, but it's more of like a last resort. Now, if there's too much moisture in the air, you can go ahead and get a dehumidifier system that will go ahead and dry the air around the piano. At the end of the day, all we're looking to do is mitigate the humidity so that we are at between 45 and 55% relative humidity so that the piano can have a healthy atmosphere to live in.